Hey, how's it going? My name is BenJammin from BenJammin Educational Music, and we're working on tutorials on how to play the ABC song in the key of C using a ukulele today. Always, if you can, subscribe and like, that always helps bring things forward for more teachers to be able to learn and grow. So here's the tuning. My dog has fleas. And we'll start with this simple strum. And the chord progression is just below. Pretty simple, you got that, right? And look at the patterns that you have there in that chord progression. It's really two big, distinct ideas. Alright, now let's try with the vocals and singing along. I've changed the lyrics in the end slightly. Instead of won't you I'd say next time won't you sing with me, we've changed it to letters help us write and read. A more poignant and exacting term of what the letters are for. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Letters help us write and read. Perfect. You've got it. Now, as we've done so well with learning our song in 4/4 time, now we're going to do the same song, the ABCs, in 3/4 time. And that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the chord progression is exactly the same as you can see right below. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Letters help us write and read. Very good. Next we'll learn it in 5/4 time. And here's the 5/4 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Take some time to learn. Let's slow that strum pattern down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you got that. And now we sing just the same, with the same chord progression right here. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Letters help us write and read. So, it so happens that kids like to be scared, but of course, let's not make it too scary. We can take the ABC song in the key of C and turn it into the key of C minor. And suddenly it goes from this happy joyousness to scary. So here's the chords. So we've got the C minor, just like that. The G, the F minor, sharp minor. I'll have to double check on that one for you. And the G7. Back to the C minor. Yeah, it's just F, just regular F minor. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. children really love to be scared. So the more little detail you can do to kind of bring that forward is fine. And of course be conscious too if some children are actually scared because the space suddenly sounds scary. More than likely they'll love that song more than all the other songs you seem to cherish so much. It's in the space of a little bit of a scary emotion. Kids love that to use that. The ABC's song can be used in so many different ways. For instance, the rhyming way and phonics way. Well, we'll take the first letter of a child's name and replace it with all of the different sounds in the alphabet. Let's start with, let's try the name Sarah. A, era, bera, cara, dera, e, era, fera, gera. Hera, era, jera, cara, lera, mera, nera, o, era, pera. Quera, rera, Sarah. Hey, that's you. Tara, you, era, vera. Where? I don't know. Scara, yikes. Yera, Zara. Now I know my era, bera, cara, Sarah. Letters help us write and read. And notice that you can take those, scara, and you can say yikes. Improv wherever you can. It makes it more relatable. Let's try a name with the boy's name. How about Jack? Jackson. A, axon, baxon, caxon, daxon, e, axons, faxon, gaxon. Haxon, a, axon, jackson, caxon, laxon, maxon, naxon, o, axon, paxon. Quaxon, raxon, saxon, taxon, you, axon, vaxon, waxon, skaxon, yaxon, zaxon. Now I know my axon, baxon, caxons, Jackson. Letters help us write and read. Thank you very much. I hope you've learned a lot and to continue to help children develop a music. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. Bye-bye.